In this Rytr review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this support tool. If you have any questions, please comment them below, and I'll also leave a discounted link so you can always get your money's worth for Rytr. Rytr is a better, 10 times faster way to write. Upon logging into Rytr, we come over here to the dashboard. We first have the option of selecting our language. Next to there, we have the select tone, where we can choose from appreciative, assertive, awestruck, candid, casual, cautionary, compassionate, convincing, critical, earnest, enthusiastic, formal, funny, humble, humorous, informative, inspirational, joyful, passionate, thoughtful, urgent, and worried. So we've got loads of different ones to choose from there. The tone would obviously depend on what you're writing as well. If it was a blog, it might be humble. You would choose this depending on what you're writing. Below there, we also have the use case. So this has got blog idea and outline, blog section writing, brand name, business idea pitch, business ideas, call to action, and so many more. As we can see, we've got loads of different options there. So I'm going to go through a few of these today. First, I'm going to go for story plot because that sounds interesting. So here I can enter my story idea. Okay, so I've gone for set in a near future where people live in a virtual reality. 2 teenagers leave the virtual reality to go back to the old dystopian Earth. We can also choose our number of variants. So I'm going to go for 3 different variants. The creativity level is automatically set to optimal. We can go for none, which is more factual. We wouldn't want that in this case. We have low, medium, high, and max, which is less factual. So I'm going to go for high for this one. And then let's go ahead and go on write for me. Perfect. So that's generated our 3 different results there. So for the first one, in the near future, people live in a virtual world with their every need taken care of and everything they could want. There is no need for money, there is no need for work, and there is no violence. 2 teenage friends decide to leave the virtual world to go back to the old dystopian Earth to experience different things and explore more about themselves. They are excited for this new experience, but are also scared as they know that in the old world there is much more danger. And I think that's very impressive considering I did just sort of give it a sentence. Below it, we also have this one which is even longer and goes into much more detail. The year is 2152, and almost all humans live in a virtual reality. Teenagers Rowan and Jax, as we can see, it's even named them, and I'm not going to go through all of this, but it does go into quite a bit of detail. You may have noticed as well, if I highlight a sentence, the word count and character count, the reading time, and the readability score, we also have a command button where you can send a custom command to it. We can also improve it, rephrase it, put it into a paragraph, or continue writing. As well as this, we've also got the more options where we can expand it, shorten it, append, and even check for plagiarism. So if say I wanted to expand that there, as we can see, that's expanded that further. We've got loads of settings at the top to edit this ourselves. We've got bold, italic, underline, strike through, the header levels, bulleted and ordered lists, attaching links, images, block quotes. We can highlight text, set the alignment, select all, clear the formatting, or undo. We also have some settings at the top hand corner where we can download as a doc file, download as .html, clear all content, delete document, or pin to profile. Okay, so now I'm just going to try another example. Okay, so I'm going to go for business ideas. I'm always drawn to sort of the creative AI. So first we can input our interest. So I've gone for video and gaming, skills, added some skills into there. Then we can select our number of variants. So I'm going to go for 3 again, and the creativity level. I'll set that to medium for this one. And then we go on write for me. So for the first result, we've got create a YouTube channel for gamers and vloggers. You can create a variety of videos from gaming reviews to walkthroughs to live streams. Offer viewers a chance to subscribe for exclusive content, and you can make a lot of money. Perfect. And obviously it's going to generate this depending on what you put in interest or what your skills are. So for the final use case, I'm going to go for cover letter for the job role. I'm going to go for social media manager. I'm going to add some skills into here. I'm going to go for 2 variants, and I'm going to leave the creativity on medium. Then I'm going to go on right for me. Okay, so I'm just going to go through the first one. So it's given us, I'm a creative, analytical, and enthusiastic individual with a proven track record of success in social media marketing. I have a proven history of managing successful social media campaigns for startups and large enterprises. If anything wasn't accurate here, you can obviously just type and set this to how you want. I am proficient in SEO, social media, video editing, copywriting, and design. My diverse skill set has allowed me to create engaging content that converts at the highest level. My recent work includes, it's given us some examples. If it is for an actual cover letter, I would say fill this in with your actual recent works. If we go back as well, we come over to the home section. As we can see, all our different results, we've got them here. We can click back onto them. So we've got our set in the near future. That was our story idea, our new document, which was the business ideas, and the social media manager. We can also favorite our favorite pieces of writing. As we can see, we just click on that star, that gets highlighted. We can also click on the menu. We have the option to rename the file, move it, delete it, or pin to profile. We also have at the top a new folder option, where we could enter a folder name. So I could do story ideas, and then we could move our story idea and move it into there. You can also just click on new document, go on create, and start typing on there, or use the generator at the side. We also have a history button, which shows us all our history. We have an account section, which has all our general settings, and also a light or dark mode. And that's just about everything. So what did I think of Rytr? Rytr was a super intelligent, creative AI that could assist you in creating many forms of content. I was especially really impressed with how well it came up with a story idea. I also really like how you could set the creativity level. I can definitely see myself using Rytr in the future, and I would definitely recommend. Thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.